So, what's so special about Italy with EF Ultimate Brake?
This is incredible.
I actually cannot.
Buon appetito.
Don't cry.
Now I get it.
Let's hear what an Italian has to say.
We have the most beautiful country, most beautiful food, most beautiful views. We have La Dolce Vita.
We are La Dolce Vita today.
Relaxed drinks, pizza, pasta, carbs.
Buonissimo.
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 Brava.
Any other words we need to know?
Andiamo, literally, it means let's go in Italian. So it's like always going ahead, never looking back, being positive, being resilient every single day.
Andiamo.
Andiamo!
Andiamo.
Okay, it's settled. I'm moving here.